Hello everyone and welcome to Introduction to Surveying and Survey Theory and Calculations programs here at Northern Lakes College. My name is Ken McKen. I'm the chair for our Trades and Resource Technology, Continuing Education and Corporate Training programs at Northern Lakes College. So our instructor for our survey programs is Ricardo Velasquez. He's unfortunately not able to make it for this presentation. He is actually busy on site at the LNG plant or development in Kitimat, BC. So obviously lots of work out there for surveyors and making huge money out there while he's working on site. So what is surveying? Surveying is a science that deals with determining and establishing three-dimensional points interrelated by lines, angles, distances, and directions. So we have a couple different options as far as surveying programs at Northern Lakes College. The first one is Introduction to Surveying. If you don't have prior surveying experience, the Introduction to Surveying program will provide you with a solid foundation of survey theory and the confidence to perform routine field survey tasks. You will be prepared for an entry-level position where you will continue to expand your knowledge of surveying as a member of the survey crew. So what courses are involved in surveying? Introduction to Surveying has basic math for industry. It has Survey Theory 1, Industrial Safety 1, Survey Field Training 1, and Introduction to Technical Drawing and AutoCAD. Survey Theory and Calculations provides the theory and surveying of survey calculations. The program is intended to provide anyone working on a survey crew with the knowledge and calculation skills required for advancement. So what's involved with survey theory and calculations? Courses here are Basic Math for Industry, Survey Theory 1, Survey Theory 2, Map Projections, Introduction to Satellite Positioning, Cadastral Surveying. Typical field surveying equipment. So here's a couple of pictures of automatic and digital levels. These are used quite extensively in the field. And these are pictures of manual and robotic total stations. Again, a step up and being used quite extensively in the industry. And then finally, they have Global Navigation Satellite Systems, GNSS. And actually, Northern Lakes College is proud to advise that we've just bought one of these units to add to our equipment for our survey program. So we're looking forward to be using this new innovative technology. Where do surveyors work? Well, naturally here in Alberta, where we're natural resource based, oil and gas pipeline and oil sands industries are a big industry using surveyors. Construction and land development industries, mineral exploration and energy transmission industries, and that's a duplication, and in the office as a CAD operator. So program delivery, what happens in the programs? Survey theory and calculations and introduction to surveying are delivered online. You can study anytime, anywhere with a high-speed internet connection. Introduction to Surveying has a 5-day field training component, strategically located depending on accessibility of the students. So this is actually a practical component added to the Introduction to Surveying program. Admission requirements. So Introduction to Surveying, you need English 10-2 or equivalent, plus a Math 20-3 or equivalent, or at least currently enrolled in 20-3 or equivalent. For survey theory and calculations, you need 6 months work experience in industry is recommended, or completion of the Introduction to Surveying program. So the Introduction to Surveying leads directly into the survey theory and calculations program. Program length, Introduction to Surveying, we have some different options there. So for dual credit students, students in high school yet taking this training alongside of their high school academics, it's covered over 2 years. Then we offer two options. One would be full-time, which is offered within a year, or part-time, which is covered in 2 years. And start dates for those cohorts are in September and February. Survey theory and calculations, we just have the one offering. It's part-time and it's covered over 2 years. Start dates for that program is every first and third Tuesday, except for July and December. Dual credit. So I mentioned this earlier. Dual credit students are eligible to earn Career and Technology Studies, or CTS credits, toward their high school diploma, plus the Introduction to Surveying certificate from Northern Lights College. Taking the program while in high school will save you time and money when compared to taking the program after you finish high school. And you achieve a college certificate before leaving high school, which increases your chances of getting employed. So that's short and quick and simple. If you do have any questions, please reach out to our Resource Technology Department. You can contact us at surveytheory@northernlightscollege.ca or call into the campus here at 1-866-652-3456, extension 8352, and you can talk to Ricardo directly, or check out our website at www.northernlightscollege.ca and check out our programs, Resource Technology, and you'll find the survey programs listed there. Thank you for your time. We hope to see you in class. If you have any questions, please contact those numbers that I shared with you earlier. Once again, thank you very much. Have a good evening.